Hi everyone, my name is Dirish. I'm going to be guiding you just for a simple wellness practice. All you got to do is have a yoga mat and possibly a block if you need to elevate your seat. So from here, just bring your hands to prayer position, bring your thumbs against your sternum, find a steady seat. So if that means you just need to jiggle around a little bit before you find your seat, go ahead and do so. Push down through your sitting bones. And your spine is nice and tall, your shoulders draw back. And just draw your chin slightly in, so the chin is drawing towards the prayer position. You're going to take a deep inhale to begin. Close your eyes. Exhale out the mouth. Big breath in. Big breath out. One more time, deep breath in. And deep breath out. Slowly open your eyes. You're going to interlock the fingers and lift the forearms. As you lift the forearms, stretch the arms up high to the sky, the ceiling. Take a deep inhale and hold. Turn your body towards the left. Keep turning the body, but keep the breath in. Keep the eyes closed. Exhale through the nose. Inhale to the center. Hold the breath. Stretch the arms, keep the breath in, turn your body to the opposite direction, keep the breath in, keep twisting and turning, and then exhale through the nose. Come back to the center on the inhale. And as you exhale, bring your hands down to your knees and just find your attention, your awareness in your body. So whatever you've gone through today, been through, come through, just notice that when you come to breathe and come back into your body, you're safe, you're connected to yourself, you're stable, and you are calm. So from here, slowly open your eyes halfway and back into the space. So we're going to start just doing a little movement just to unwind, and I'll be guiding you through some other breath exercises and movement exercises just to reset yourself. So firstly, you're going to bring your hands to your knees and we're going to start moving in circles. So as you close your eyes, you're going to move forwards as you inhale, and as you exhale, move back. So this is called circles, and it's really, really good for stretching out the lower spine, the mid-spine, the upper spine, and also going around your pelvis. So you can do this anytime, even when you are sitting on a chair. And if you've just been at your desk or at your computer for a while, just doing a couple of movements like this, breathing in, breathing out, just brings you back into your body, into your center. Change directions, go the other way. Go around the pelvis, around to the areas that feel tight and tense. Okay? This is radical self-love, everybody. And actually what we're doing, we're stabilizing the lower part of the body. That little pressure against the sit bones as you move around, and then as you go around through the hips. Bringing your attention down to the lower part of the body gets you out of your head and into the breath and into the body. You're going to go a little bit slower now. And then gently return back as you spiral towards the still point. Take a deep inhale, a deep exhale. From here, you're going to bring your hands to your shoulders, and we're going to come into a twist. So you're going to inhale to the left, exhale to the right. You're going to pull your core in as you do this. Your elbows are long. Inhale left and exhale right. Spine is nice and tall. And this is an excellent movement pose for releasing toxins from our organs, from the kidneys, from the adrenal glands, from our liver. You'll notice as you do this is that your exhalation becomes more sharper than the inhalation. Now keep your eyes closed. Last 3, last 2, last 1. Inhale, hold the breath. Exhale, and relax your hands to your knees. Just notice what you experience. And then slowly open your eyes. So now that we've done the lower part of the body, we're going to come up now. And we've done some shoulder twisting and turning. We're going to open the heart center. So if you bring your hands up like you're saying, "G'day," how you doing? Stretch your arms out. Really stick the thumbs up and really extend and expand through the chest. What you're doing here is you're activating the center of your chest and you're opening your heart. And you have these energy lines that run through the arms. So this is your lung and your large intestine channel, your heart and your small intestine channel. So this is what we're going to be opening up. Eyes are closed, spine is tall, and let's begin to twist again. Do your best to stay consistent and keep your head still. The only thing that's moving is your spine. Now, slowly open the eyes. Immediately interlace the fingers to the back of your head and continue. Last 3, last 2, and last 1. Inhale, hold your breath. Imagine you're stretching your skull up and you draw your shoulders down. Keep the breath in. Then as you exhale, slowly bring your arms up towards the ceiling, the sky, and stretch your arms out through the space around you. Hands are going to come onto your knees. Take a moment. Notice the effects. Whenever we're doing twisting and breathing together, we're clearing out the lungs, clearing out any toxic energy that's going on around here and creating space for new energy. So now that we've been sat here for a while, let's open the legs out a little bit. Stretch your legs out, flex your feet, and just go around with your ankles, rotating the ankles and then beginning to rotate, going around. You'll feel it now into the joints of your knees and towards your hips. Change directions. Keep your spine nice and tall, your shoulders drawing back. One more time, change directions. And then from here, as you inhale, flex the feet and then point the toes. You're going to place the sole of the foot of your right to the left inner thigh. And then from here, all you're going to do is stretch down and raise the opposite arm. Open the side body, stretch. Inhale, come up. Change sides. Stretch down, reach the arm up, side body stretch, and then come up. Now both legs open, and we're going to move from side to side, gliding from side to side, moving to the left and to the right. Inhale and exhale as you come low. So you can close your eyes as you do this. Keep your feet flexed. Okay, so as you move through, you'll notice maybe you feel not so open, not so supple, but the more you just continue to glide and go through and use your breath, your body starts to open up more. Okay, last 3. Last 2. And last 1. Inhale, come up. Hold your breath and exhale. Slowly open your eyes. Cup the hands underneath the knees. Draw your legs back in to sit in easy pose. And we shall move on. Begin to bring your shoulders up to your ears and exhale, draw them back. Close your eyes, inhaling up, exhaling down. And change directions, go the other way. Inhale, shoulders up to your ears, hold, squeeze, exhale, let the shoulders drop. Again, inhale up, hold, exhale, let it drop. Now inhale up, exhale down. Letting go of any tension, any heaviness in the shoulders, any kind of weight that we're holding. Last 3, last 2, last 1. Inhale and hold up, squeeze. And as you exhale, let it drop. Just take a moment to pause, check in with yourself. Breathing in, breathing out. You're now going to use your exhale to turn your head towards the right. Inhale, center, towards the left. Inhale, center. Close the eyes and just feel that stretch along the side of your neck. And the next time you come to the center, you're going to lift your head up. Open the throat, chin to chest, and then drop your right ear to the right shoulder. Go all the way around, left ear to left shoulder, chin to chest. And you're going to continue moving into neck rolls, releasing tension from the neck, from the cervical spine, top of the spine, and also opening into the throat center, stimulating your thymus gland, which is underneath your breastbone, and your throat, your thyroid gland. As you do this, just begin to relax the facial muscles, the mouth, separate your teeth away from each other. Let your tongue begin to soften as you allow your jaw to unwind, change directions. Last one, and spiral the movement back to the center. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Notice how much more space there is around your neck. Okay, slowly open your eyes. And now, to complete this little wellness work session, you're going to now bring your right hand up and bring your peace sign fingers in. What we're now going to do is balance the brain. balance the right side and the left side of the brain, and which brings clarity, focus, and presence. So your right thumb is going to rest against the right nostril. You're going to breathe in, so the spine's nice and tall. Breathe in through the left nostril. Close with your ring finger. Hold. Exhale out through the right nostril. When all the breath has gone out, you're going to inhale through the right nostril. Close. Exhale out through the left. Pause at the end of the exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. As you inhale, imagining bright white light coming in. Hold at the center of your brow point. Exhale through the other side. Inhale bright light coming in through the left nostril. Hold and close. Exhale out through the right. And continue. And even if you might feel not so open on one side of the nose or the other, just continue going. It'll unblock as you do this. And now you're going to make this your last round. Place your hands down to your knees. Keep the eyes closed. Take a deep breath through both nostrils now. And a deep exhale through both nostrils. Inhale, bring your hands to prayer now. Just give them a little rub. Bring your thumbs to rest against your sternum, your chin to the chest. And just noticing how you feel after this little session we've done. Notice where you are at on a scale of 1 to 10. And then thanking yourself for showing up today. Knowing that you are bright and you are light, and we can be constantly reminded of this when we do a practice like this, a wellness workout. I hope you enjoyed the session, and I'll see you soon.